Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing here of an excellent condition Amazon renewed Samsung S20 Ultra. So this is of course a few years old. I think about 4 years old. So let's see how well they did with this phone. So we do get charger in here, which you do not get with new phones anymore. I also have the SIM card ejector and charger. It's all nice and wrapped up. I want to say this is probably a Samsung charger. Usually, I know I have a few old ones like this with adaptive on there. And then also USB-A to USB-C. I got some paperwork from the company that did the renewing. So this is nice and wrapped up. See there. I'm looking at the back here. I'm coming up the serial number. But it looks like it has, well, IMEI status is good. It looks like battery health, I'm gonna guess BH means 98%, which would be insane. On a, 4-year-old phone? I think it's now a 4-year-old phone. That'd be awesome. This is actually a 98% battery. It's probably better than my S20 Ultra is at. Alright, so I know the black is hard to see on the camera, but this phone looks like new. I would say this is in very much like new condition. This thing is in excellent shape. So I don't really see any scratches on this. This thing is awesome. This is very much like the Pixel 7 Pro that I got off of Amazon Renewed. That was in like new condition as well. Way better than some of the, well, I think a couple different iPhone minis I got, 13 minis I got off of Amazon. That were dented and scratched up. This thing is perfect. Like, this isn't perfect shot. Again, I know it's very hard to see through the camera. I don't think there's really any scratches on here. Let's see. So yeah, I would say this is one of the best phones I've gotten off of Amazon Renewed. For those that are curious, I paid about $250 US, and the company is Stallion. I think that's how you say that. This is awesome. I mean, this has got to be one of the best, if not the best condition phone, besides from the Pixel 7 Pro that I bought a couple months ago. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.